Would you get a microchip implanted so that you could pay for things with just a swipe of your hand? Biohacking is set to replace credit cards and key cards, and thousands have already jumped at the chance. Kim Komando with your Consumer Tech Update, brought to you by Capterra. As a successful business owner for over 20 years now, I know having the right software for your business is paramount. That's why I use and recommend Capterra. At Capterra.com/Kim, you'll find over 700 specific categories of software, everything from project management to email marketing to payroll. And with over 850,000 reviews from real software users, you're sure to find exactly what you need. Go to Capterra.com/Kim for free today. About 4,000 people in Sweden have microchips about the size of a grain of rice implanted into their hands. The chip monitors their health, replaces key cards to get into buildings, and forget using Apple Pay. A scan of your hand replaces all cash and credit cards. Why Sweden? The country wants to operate completely cashless. Coins and notes comprise only 1% of their economy, and since this movement to go all digital for transactions, there have been just 2 bank robberies in the last year. Now, you know the chips are collecting all kinds of data. Hollywood movies are inching closer and closer to reality. I'm Kim Komando. Hey, don't forget to get our other podcast, Komando On Demand. You can find that wherever you get your podcasts, Apple, Google, or your favorite podcast player.